It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Sunday. Gonna check on the progress of the package. I'm gonna feed it today if it needs it. I'll maybe take a quick peek inside. It's cool today, 60 degrees, dropping. There was rain that went through this morning and rain coming this afternoon. We have a little bit of a break. Every once in a while we get a peek of sun, but it's not a nice, warm, direct sunshine kind of day where I want to be in rooting around the hive. I'm dying to know what's going on inside this hive, and I'll quick take a peek down through the frames, but I'm not going to pull it apart. I'm positive as I see bees coming and going and they're bringing back pollen that this hive's in working order. I really don't have to dig too much. I'll take a quick peek, but number one objective is just top them off for food and be done with them. So I'm going to light the smoker, and then I'll go ahead and fill the inner feeder, which is in this position right here. Okay, got my smoker lit. I'm going to put a couple quick puffs in the entrance. Besides feeding this hive, one of the things I'm going to do is put a brood minder sensor in there. And also, after I get a look at it, I'm going to take this hive and move it to the location next to me. There's a grain scale over there, and I want to be able to weigh the weight of this hive. I probably will do that off camera, but later when you see this hive on video, it's going to be in a different spot. So a couple quick puffs in the entrance. I already took the brick off the top. Just going to set the brood minder aside for a second. I'm lifting the lid away from me. Now, if I want to just do the feeder part, I'm going to pop the inner cover, and I'm just going to slide it over till I can see the feeder. I'm taking note that the feeder is empty. I'm trying to be very deliberate here and not spill it. It's 1 gallon of 1-to-1 solution. 1 part sugar, 1 part water. Just taking my time, going slowly so I don't spill it. And it took almost all of it, so there was a little bit left in there. But there's just a smidge left. Now I'm not going to fill it right up to the top. I want them to have the ability to walk in on the little ladder part. I want to be quick about this because it's cold, so I'm just going to place this underneath and take a look and see what I get. So it's very evident that they have filled out up to this part. They have not gotten over to these last 3 frames. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are filled out. 8, 9, and 10 still have some work to go. But they've made really good progress this week. That's pretty impressive. That's it for me. I'm going to close it up and let it be. I moved the hive over to the grain scale as I said I was going to, and I actually wanted to add one more piece to this. This is a lashing strap. It's just a simple nylon strap. I really encourage you to put them on all of your hives. I was a little nervous yesterday because it was super windy. I have a couple plastic chairs sitting here in the yard. They were blown over, and I'm glad the hive didn't blow over. If you want to know, the hive weighs 58 pounds. That includes the hive stand that I have made of PVC and the brick and everything else. But that'll be a good benchmark for us to be able to tell how much it gains, and each time we come out we'll record the weight. So all done. They didn't care too much that I carried them over and set them down, which is good. Every once in a while they get a little testy about that, but everything was fine. I just literally picked it up and carried it over. It's about 4 feet from here to there.